Welcome to another episode of the Intelligence Briefing. I'm your host, Andreas Welch, and today we'll demystify the 5 most common automation buzzwords in 2022. If your head is already spinning right now, hold on tight, because we're about to get started. So, let's get those wheels spinning, shall we? And here's our first buzzword of the day, hyperautomation. Do you wonder what that's all about? Well, hyperautomation is a concept for automating tasks in a business process that otherwise a human business user would need to do themselves. If you hyperautomate a task, you use different kinds of technology to accomplish your goal. For example, software robots run the same steps on a screen over and over again that you would otherwise go through. And if they're more complex tasks, like extracting data from digital documents, you can do that as well. Altogether, that saves time and money, and it helps you produce repeatable results with the same level of quality. Great! I'm so excited to see what's next. Intelligent automation. The names are getting more creative, you see. This is probably the most widely used term in the industry right now to describe the same concept as hyperautomation. Fantastic. Big shout out to my marketing friends here. And that reminds me of the Eskimos who have 50 different words for snow, right? Okay, what do we have next? Robotic process automation. We are the robots. Imagine a task of your daily job is to review invoices and copy and paste what's on them into another screen. Instead of doing that yourself, you can record these steps for a software robot, much like a macro in Excel, and have the robot play these steps back for you. So even if you're not a developer, you can still build a robot like that with a few clicks on a screen. Robotic process automation, or RPA, is the first component in hyperautomation and intelligent automation. And it's also a good first step to automate simple tasks and free up your time. And we could all use a little more free time, right? But how do you even know what to automate in the first place? So let's see what's our next buzzword. Process intelligence. Process intelligence lets you do an X-ray of your business process so you see where it's broken. Ouch. But not only that, it shows you how long your process takes from start to finish and how many variations of it exist. So in other words, how creative is your workforce in finding those workarounds and loopholes that end up costing you and your customers valuable time and money. So the opportunity for you is to bring them back to standard, save cost, ensure compliance, and have the foundation for applying more automation. Sounds pretty intelligent. Huh? All right, so let's press this button one more time for our final buzzword of the day. Artificial intelligence. Ooh, so chances are you've got lots of data in your business, from products to quotes and sales to shipment information, payments, and customer service requests, just to name a few. But because there's so much of that data, you're really struggling to analyze it yourself. Now with artificial intelligence, your software looks for patterns in this data and gives you recommendations. Customers who've bought this toolbox have also bought this hammer, for example. Or it lets you extract data from your digital documents. Hello, intelligent automation. And AI can help you be reachable for customer service 24/7 because AI can process and understand what your customers are asking in human language and give them the answers while your agents are taking a rest. So, let's do a quick recap. Robotic process automation and artificial intelligence are two technologies you can use to increase efficiency in your business. Process intelligence helps you find those areas where the need and the return have the highest impact. Hyperautomation and intelligent automation are two buzzwords that refer to the same concept, using different technologies to automate repetitive and more complex tasks in your business process. There you have it, the 5 most common automation buzzwords of 2022, demystified. If you want to win big and hit the jackpot by scaling your AI program, let's connect and follow me to find out how together we can turn hype into outcome.